How to change language in Horror Tale 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language interface. First of all, open the application. Now here on the third option, simply tap on Settings. So we're in the Settings interface. Now on the top at the first option, you can see Language. Here you can see a drop down button. Tap on it. So here are some limited language that you can change into. So simply select the language that you want to change into. So here I'm tapping on one. Now it will take some time, and as you can see the whole language has been changed. Now if you go back, even the interface and other things has been changed. So the same language has been changed and it is easier for you to play in the same language. So you're all set now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.